Hello and welcome to our video on Mars terraforming. Today we're going to explore the fascinating and complex topic of transforming Mars into a habitable planet. As a space researcher, I'm often asked whether it's possible to make Mars a second home for humans. The short answer is yes, but it's not easy. It would require a massive effort from scientists, engineers, and policymakers, and could take many decades, if not centuries. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what terraforming is, why Mars is a prime candidate for terraforming, and the challenges and opportunities that come with this ambitious endeavor. So, let's get started. First of all, what exactly is terraforming? Terraforming is the process of making a planet, moon, or other celestial body habitable for humans and other Earth-based life forms. This involves changing the atmosphere, temperature, and other environmental factors of the target planet to create Earth-like conditions. Terraforming is a concept that has been explored in science fiction for many years, but it's also a serious topic in real-world space research. It's a complex and challenging process that requires a deep understanding of planetary science, atmospheric chemistry, and other disciplines. Now, let's talk about why Mars is a prime candidate for terraforming. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. It has a thin atmosphere, low gravity, and no global magnetic field, which makes it inhospitable to human life in its current state. However, Mars is similar to Earth in many ways. It has a day/night cycle, seasons, polar ice caps, and a relatively similar day length. It also has vast resources such as water, carbon dioxide, and other elements that are essential for terraforming. One of the most promising aspects of Mars is its vast amounts of frozen water at its poles and underground. If this water could be extracted and converted into liquid form, it could be used to create a habitable environment for humans and other life forms. Of course, terraforming Mars is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is its thin atmosphere. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which means it has little protection from harmful solar radiation. This is a major obstacle to creating a habitable environment for humans. Another major challenge is Mars' lack of a global magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar wind and cosmic radiation. Without a similar magnetic field, any humans living on Mars would be exposed to high levels of radiation, which could be deadly. In addition, the low gravity of Mars is also a challenge for human health. Studies have shown that long-term exposure to low gravity can cause a range of health problems such as bone loss, muscle weakness, and cardiovascular issues. Despite these challenges, there are also many opportunities that come with terraforming Mars. One of the most exciting is the potential to create a new world and expand human civilization beyond Earth. This would open up a whole new frontier for exploration and discovery. Terraforming Mars could also provide valuable resources for future generations, such as minerals, metals, and other elements. These resources could be used to support not just human settlements, but also scientific research, technological advancements, and economic growth. Furthermore, the process of terraforming Mars would require advanced technology and engineering solutions, which could drive innovation and inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers. It could also provide new opportunities for international collaboration and cooperation in space exploration. So, what are some of the approaches that could be used to terraform Mars? There are several proposals that have been put forward over the years, but most of them involve one or more of the following steps. Increase the atmospheric pressure. This could be done by releasing gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor into the atmosphere. Warm the planet. This could be achieved by melting Mars' polar ice caps and using mirrors or other technologies to redirect sunlight to the planet's surface. Create a magnetic field. This is a more difficult task, but it could be done by placing a giant magnetic shield in orbit around Mars or creating an artificial magnetic field using superconducting coils. Introduce life. This is a more speculative idea, but some scientists have proposed introducing certain types of microbes to Mars to help create a more habitable environment. Each of these approaches has its own set of challenges and uncertainties, and it's likely that a combination of these techniques will be needed to make Mars habitable for humans. In conclusion, terraforming Mars is an ambitious and challenging goal, but it's also a fascinating and inspiring one. The idea of creating a new world, expanding human civilization beyond Earth, and unlocking new opportunities for scientific discovery and technological innovation is truly exciting. However, we must also acknowledge the many challenges and uncertainties that come with this goal. It will require a massive effort from scientists, engineers, and policymakers, as well as significant investments in technology, resources, and time. But if we can overcome these challenges, the rewards could be enormous. Thank you for watching this video on Mars terraforming. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on space exploration and science.